Hey everyone, it's Jonathan from Seneca or Jono, and I'm going to be keeping it organic today and going through alkenes and their reactions. They're a really important hydrocarbon, so very good thing to cover before your GCSE chemistry exam. Let's get started. Alkenes are a type of hydrocarbon and they've got the functional group C double bond C. That's a carbon-to-carbon double bond. And I'm now going to run through some key features of alkenes. Okay, so we'll start with the formula. Alkenes are part of a homologous, that's a hard word to say, homologous series. And basically that's just a series that has the same general formula. So alkenes have the general formula CnH2n. What does that mean? It means for every carbon molecule you have, or every carbon atom you have, you're going to have twice the amount of hydrogen atoms. So if we were to have 5 carbon atoms, we would have 10 hydrogen atoms. Awesome. Alkenes are also super reactive. They have a carbon-to-carbon double bond, and that makes them very reactive, and they're much more reactive than alkanes. If you're not sure about alkanes, make sure you check out some of the other organic chemistry episodes in this series to get up to speed. Next, we're going to cover the fact that alkenes are unsaturated, and they're unsaturated because they contain a carbon-to-carbon double bond between 2 of the carbon atoms. And that also means that an alkene contains 2 fewer hydrogen atoms than an alkane with the same number of carbon atoms. Okay, let's quickly run through the properties of alkenes. They are more reactive than alkanes, they contain a double bond, and they are unsaturated. Just to review that key term, homologous series, alkenes are an example of a homologous series, and a homologous series is just a series of compounds with the same general formula. And if you remember, that general formula for alkenes again is CnH2n. Right, just with alkanes, it's important to be able to name the 4 shortest alkenes. Okay, so because we have a carbon-to-carbon double bond, we start with ethene. So ethene has 2 carbons and the formula is C2H4. We then go to propene, butene, and then end with pentene. Pentene has 5 carbons with the formula C5H10. So again, do you remember those 4 shortest alkenes? Remember, it's ethene, butene, propene, and pentene. Okay, so the key functional group in alkenes is that carbon-to-carbon double bond. Is what gives all of the functionality of alkenes, all of their chemical reactions because of this double bond. So I hope that was a useful run through of alkenes. I'll be talking a little bit more about them in a subsequent episode and their reactions that they do, so make sure you check that out. Otherwise, it's been great having you join me for this lesson. Enjoy the rest of your day.